Ladies and gentlemen, one of the best comedians in East Africa. Ladies and gentlemen, with teacher Mpamire. Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for teacher Mpamire. Alright, class. How are you, class? How are you, class? Are you ready for class? I want to see the following students. Where's Melissa? Melissa, where are you? Melissa, stand up for recognition. She got 90%. Yes. I want to see Christella. Christella, see me after classes. Muyobochi, where is Muyobochi? Aha, give me a hug. You got 0-0. You got 0-0. Amza, where's Amza? Amza, you should go back to your mother's home for further development. Lastly, Franco. Where's the Franco? Franco, you are the reason why teachers drink alcohol. Welcome. My name is teacher Kabiri from Uganda. From where? How are you, Rwanda? How are you, Rawati? Rwanda Muraho, Murawati. I'm very happy to be here. I'm very happy to be where? If you believe that teacher Kabiri is happy to be here, please clap for teacher. Welcome, Rawati. I need everybody in class. Everybody in what? Are there some students who are still at Gisenyi? Anyone who is still at Gisenyi? But what activity was taking place in Gisenyi? Yes, who was at Gisenyi? Can I see anyone who was at Gisenyi? You were at Gisenyi, I saw you. What activity took place at Gisenyi? Hopeless. Where is Gisenyi? Where did you go? But all in all, I want to thank the President of the Republic of Rwanda. President in Africa, please stand up and say, oh yeah! Give up for the President, General Kagame! Are we together, class? I've never seen such a consistent president. I've never seen such a consistent president. You know, before Rwanda became independent, after Rwanda became independent, he has encouraged self-empowerment. That's why you even have foggy internet. That's why you even have foggy internet. He wants Africa to be self-reliant. Instead of having every colonial age, kill up for the president once again. Are we together, class? That's the reason why Visit Rwanda has encouraged development. I want to say that Visit Rwanda is the best project ever. Clap for yourselves. You know, if you were looking for what we call being sober, if you want to be sober and productive during the day, Visit Rwanda. Visit Rwanda. If you were looking for beautiful women with nyash, Visit Rwanda through Uganda. Are we together, class? Because Rwanda is the best. Are we together, class? I want to welcome everyone in the class. In what? Where is the heady boy? Heady boy. Where is the heady boy? I want to see heady boy. Heady boy. This time it's going to be very special. I want heady boy with the Igipara. Heady boy. Heady boy! Stand up for recognition. Heady boy with the Igipara. A handshake. You know, these people are very important in Rwanda. Kill up for them once again. These people have been nicknamed everything. Solar panel, rooftop, reflector, but they are very important. Clap for them once again. These are the people who are so important in our society. First of all, they should not even be working anywhere. They should be working in meteorological centers because they are the first to receive rain. Are you married?
Not yet.
Not yet. Are you married?
Not yet.
Not yet is not married. If you're a woman and you are looking for money, this is a man who is not going to spend money because he himself is a mirror. You just look at his head and you see yourself. These are always open-minded people. They can even see the future. Clap for him. When God was creating heads, he covered the one he didn't like. So clap for yourself. Askulu askari. Last time the askari was black. This time I want an askari who is short. Look at your neighbor who is short. Any short person here? No, that one is not short. That one is a matron. Stand up and we see. You know, I love short people. Not short. Short or not short? Where is the short person? Where? This was not short now. Who is short? Don't you have shorter people? Where? Come on. Hey, are you stand up and I see? I need the short askari. Our class must be protected. Anyone who is short, look at your neighbor. You can even see your neighbor. Ask your neighbor, are you short or shorter?
Amoni.
Amoni, where are you? Amoni. Amoni. You first stand up and we see. Short people, I like short people. Clap for them. You know, if you are near a short person, give that person a hug or just high five. These are the people who are important. They are always down to down to what? And they are the last to receive rain. Clap for you. Short people. But when short people are meeting, how do they greet each other? Someone told me when they are waving, they microwave. Clap for Amoni. Otherwise, I'm very happy to be here, and I thank your president who has promoted what we call Pan-Africa. Pan-Africanism. Pan-Africanism means we are gathering here because of Gen Z, and we are all from different countries. Ugandans, where are you? Ugandans, where are you? Are they drunk? What? No, Nywares. Uganda is Nywamo. Abana Uganda nkulamusiza sebo. Sabasajja kabaka wangale. Burundians. They have gone to the dormitories. Nigerians, where are you? Nigerians, I don't need to ask you. You are everywhere. Nigerians. My brother, you are Nigerian. Are you a Nigerian? What's your name, Mo? Chinekewo. My brother, you don't even know your nationality. What is your name, Mo?
Ale.
Aye. Aye from where now?
Rwanda.
From where?
Rwanda.
From Okochue. Are you the wife? Nigerians, you are Okochue. But first of all, clap for the Nigerians class. Nigerians are very good people. But what happened to your movie titles? You know, we used to enjoy Nigerian movies. Clap for the Nigerian movies once again. Nigerians had their great movies, but I don't know what went wrong with their movie Nigerians had good movie titles, and their titles were so enticing. You could just buy a movie and you watch the title and you have watched the movie. My Private Part. My Private Part. Imagine a movie. Which other movie title? Which other movie title? Midnight Sun. Innocent Criminal. Can a criminal be innocent? public crime. Is there a private crime and a public crime? But I loved the way Nigerians could force their movies onto us, especially through their adverts. Nigerians could convince you to watch a movie by just their advert. Give me any Nigerian movie title that you know. The what? Sir? 6 what?
Sex on the beach.
Of all the movies you want sex on the beach. See me after classes when students are back and you act that movie. Sex on the beach, eh? Okay, she has said we have a movie title called Sex on what? On the beach. These people, sex on the beach normally takes 2 people on the beach. But in the movie, when they're announcing, advertising it, you could hear more than 20 Nigerian actors and actresses. Kasvili International Limited presents a Sicilian production, Sex on the Beach. Sex on the Beach. Wow. Started by Kaka Genevieve na Chiganchuko Abiola Chuko Amakapita Zerbekane Okanayo Ujika Matamambo Dika Matsagana Watano Batsona Pudimo Kame and Kanayo Okanayo. Sex on the Beach. Sex on the Beach. Marketed and displayed by Kasvili International Limited 51 Iweka Road on Nichapan Pondo Road Aba. Sex on the Beach. Grab your copy now. Have you heard anything? Because we are living in a confused what? Where we do not know who is the confused and the what? Now they come with a movie. Every movie, first of all, they must cry. And someone must die. Who can act as a dead person here? Which class is this? Look at your neighbor if he looks like a dead person. Who can my brother, you look dead. Yeah, just pretend. Killer for the dead person. You just pretend that you're the come and die. Come and die. Yee! What a dead person. Don't die in style. Pretend that you're dead. Our movie is called The Private Part. Pretend that you're dead. Dead people don't kill up with it. You come, you die, come and die. Pretend that you are dead. Hey. After you to die, you first look at the people. You die properly, my brother. Die properly. Now, which kind of death is this? Cut now. You are making problems for the coffin. Cut now, which kind of coffin is going to be like this? Die so that it becomes easier for coffin makers to make your coffin. Brother, this is not Gen Z death. Die properly. So the coffin will have a hand like this. Die. Is he dead? Dead people don't breathe. Don't laugh. Okay, die properly. So that it becomes easier for coffin what? In every Nigerian movie, someone must die. And when you know, the reaction of death, don't laugh, Dead people don't laugh. And don't die seriously, we are just acting. When Nigerians die in their movie titles, the reaction of men is different from women. The movie is called The Private Part. Men normally in this scenario, when someone has died, they pretend that they come from small roads, from villages. Pretend that it's a forest. Hey! Hey! My brother! Hey! Ijoma! Don't tell me that you're dead though. Ijoma. Hey. Remember that we are supposed to meet in the king's palace. So if you pretend that you're dead, hey, people of Umeza Kingdom, I bring you sad news that Ijoma is dead, though. Hey, Ijoma, don't laugh, man. Ijoma. Then they bring in proverbs that you don't understand. Hey! Something bigger than a cricket has entered its hollow. An empty calabash will never sink in the river. Very simple. Women, Ijoma, continue to die. Ijoma, we are acting. Women, you might think it's a music concert. Ajiko manyaka maje, ujama konjembeje, ajembaja, bajembadembedembedembe, ajiko manyaka lembaja, ujama konyemo chemara, utekama, chine kama wo. Hey! Hey! What have I done? Oh? What have I done? Oh? Hey! If you want to finish the whole kingdom, finish all of us. Oh, Mazokwa, Mazokwa, hey, 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 Mazokwa, don't leave me alone, no. You have gone with everything, oh, hey. Then they make it musical. Mazoko, mazoloko munye, amunyume majuluko moye, izomwoko amalumo seke, azuka mama. Azuka, you have gone with my money. Azuka, you have gone with my money. Remember, you told me that you will pay me in dollars. I will follow you. Kilafo Azuka, resurrect. Saja, resurrect. You want to? May you not die forever. Are we together? Kilafo Azuka. Because we are living in a confused what? Where we do not know is the confused and the what? You know, Nigerians confuse us every day. When it comes to football, you do not want to listen to a Nigerian commentator. Who is the best commentator in England? Peter Diori, right? Yo, it's a great opportunity for Emirates Stadium. Manchester United versus Arsenal. Yes, a football match has started. Manchester United. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Manchester United. Garnacho. Back to Odegaard. Nigerians. Hey! Hewati? Hey, Hewati? My name is Okoronko Ogucha. I'm the one who's going to commentate between Manchester United and Arsenal. Hey, the match has started though. Arsenal with the football. Arsenal, Odegaard has given to this stupid guy on Garnacho, you're very stupid. Instead of scoring, you are giving to this foolish Onana. Hey, Onana with the football. He has given it to look at this fufu man. Instead of scoring, stupid. It is because we are living in a confused what? All that was brought because of colonialism. Kolowati. If we are not colonized, Africa would have been a better place. Give your clap for that. It is because of colonialism that we are living in a confused what? Where we do not know is the confused and the what? Our education system was confused that we no longer believe in questions like why. We no longer believe in questions like why, but we believe in a how. We believe in a how. Those days questions were systematic in African education. Why did the chicken cross the road? Why did the sun rise to east to where? Are we together, class? But now it is a question of how to go to America without a visa. pregnant when you are still virgin? Which other how? How a towel can get dirty when you have just showered? It is a question of her. That's why as teacher Mpamire, I tell you the root cause of all this is kolowati. Teachers are confusing students, students are confusing it. A teacher comes to class and says, class, kirawati, if I have 2 mangoes in one of her and 2 apples in another her, how many oranges do I have in total? Are we together, class? Alex beat Adam. Beat what? Adam in his car. In his what? Whose car was it? Adam beat Alex in his car. Whose car was it? Alex. Adam beat Alex in his car. Whose car was it? Alex? No one? None of them. Okay, I will beat you with that head. Rwanda, is the heart of class beginning with Africa. You said Africa is the heart of Africa. Rwanda is the heart of beginning with Africa.
Africa is the heart.
Rwanda is the heart of Africa. Beginning with Africa.
Africa is hearted by Rwanda.
Idiots. Well, let me go to university. University, where are you? Rwanda is the heart of Africa. Start with Africa.
Africa is not the heart.
Idiots. Oh no. This one. What goes around comes out ara. Beginning with around. Wama, what goes around comes out around. Start with around.
Around the come.
Wama, you help him. I trust Ugandans. Uganda, oye! Hey, what goes around comes out around. Start with around.
Around.
What? Nonsense. Sarah is short. Sarah is what? Sarah is deaf. Sarah is what? Sarah is sick. Sarah is what? Beginning with the oral. Begin with oral. Yes. Sarah is deaf. See me at night. Wama, yes.
The short Sarah is deaf.
Beginning with the oral.
Or short Sarah is deaf.
Nonsense. No what? The teacher is at the gate. The teacher is where? Beginning with the gate. Gate. Standard by teacher. Gate is standard by teacher. Gate is what? Gate is nkusanyiwe. Wama, the teacher is at the gate. Beginning with the gate.
The gate is teacher.
The gate is with the teacher. How old are you? The cow is in the river. The cow is where? Beginning with the river. River is in the cow. River is where? River is in the cow. If a dog chooses shoes, if a dog did what? If a dog chooses shoes, which shoes does it choose? What have I said? If a dog chooses shoes, which shoes does it choose?
Sanyu ambado Muganda, simanyo lozungu.
Idiots. That's why I like compasses. Compasses. If a dog chooses shoes, which shoes does it choose?
Shoes.
Shoes. See me at midnight. For proper lessons. But it is because we are living in a confused world. That's why we should stick to our African culture, where we make things very simple for students to pass to what? A teacher should come to class and say, match the following animals and what? With their sound, with their sound. A cow says moo. A cow says what? While a dog says? While a dog says? While a dog says? A dog says boo, boo, boo. Clap for yourselves. Don't you see that things are very simple? A cow says? A cow says boo, boo, boo. A cow says moo. While a dog says? A sheep says? A sheep says meh. If a sheep says meh, what about a sheep? What did you drink? If a sheep says meh, and a pig says? A pig says? You eat pig. Wama, it is because we are living in a confused world. That's why the younger one of a pig is called pigireti. That means you add on late. A younger one of a pig is called? That means a younger one of a toy? A younger one of a pig, pigireti. A younger one of a toy? Toireti. A younger one of a duck is called the duckling. A younger one of a duck is what? That means a young one of a rat. Laturini. But it's because we are living in a confused world, where we do not know is the confused and the what. That's why to avoid that, let's stick to our African law. Don't waste your time with English. Don't waste your time with what? If you go to outside world and they ask you in English, don't waste your time. English is not our mother language. When they ask you in English, if it's an interview, and they ask you, nod your head and as if you have got it and say, yeah. We simply comment, so just say. If there's some horizontal America, just say. If there's some say. Are we together, class? Are we together, class? Are we together, class? Should we start the lesson? Yeah. Should we start the lesson? I'm telling you the truth, I swear. I'm telling you the truth, I swear. If you want to suffer in Africa, become a taxi payer, especially if you are under unemployed. Let me go to the issues of love affair. Let me go to issues of love affair. That's what, because everyone wants to hear. When I was on Rwanda Air, above the air, I met a lady called Mutonyi Kele. I met a lady called Mutonyi Kele. Mutonyi had beautiful hair, as if she had just come from Adra. As if she had just come from Adra. And the way she could move, I could see her nyash with the flare. I asked her, Mutonyi, what is your comedy career? She said she works as a law. She works as a law. In my heart I said, oh. In my heart I said, oh. Mutonyi said, Teacher Mpamire, I'm happy to meet you here. I'm looking for a man who can care. Inside my heart I was feeling far. I was feeling far. Ladies and gentlemen, hallelujah. 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 See, I was feeling far. I was feeling far. She said, Teacher Mpamire, why don't we start a love affair? Why don't we start a love affair? Even if you are married, I don't care. Even if you're married, I don't care. I'm ready to become a spare tire. I'm ready to become a spare tire. Love is blind, I swear. Love is blind, I swear. Imagine someone becoming a spare tire. I realized that this lady was just a lie. Who was only interested in my work. Thank you so much, teacher Mpamire.